Hey folks, Chris here with MPC Remote Start. Today I'm going to show you how to take this remote car starter and install into this 2017 Ford Fusion push to start. Let's get started. Okay, we're going to need to access the gateway connector, which is right behind this OBD connector right here. But to make life easy, we're going to go ahead and pull this one 8mm nut and this 7mm bolt here on each side, which will allow us to loosen the back of the OBD connector to access it when we pull this panel. There we go. All right, now we're just going to go ahead and unclip this panel here. I'll unclip from both sides and drop right down. When it does that, our gateway connector is right here, and this is where we're going to access the back of the gateway connector. We're going to go ahead and unconnect the connector from the gateway connector. We will take our factory male harness and plug it directly into the back of the gateway. Then we'll take our female from the harness and we're going to plug that in to the gateway connector. That's our connections there. Okay, we're now ready to program the remote start module, so you're going to press and hold down the program button. While holding down the program button, plug in the black 4-pin connector. We're going to let go on a solid single blue light. All right. For this install, we only need to plug in one connector, and that's going to be the white 5-pin. Okay, that plugged in. I'm going to press the push start button one time. Blue light will turn off. We're waiting for it to come back on flashing. There's our flashing. We're going to turn the switch off. The blue light will go off. Now we're going to turn the ignition back on and wait 5 seconds with the yellow light on. Your ignition switch to the off position. Programming is now complete. We're going to do a quick test start just to make sure everything's working correctly. So it's lock, unlock, lock. That should activate the remote start, and in a few seconds the vehicle will start. There we go. Everything's up and running. What we'll do now is just simply press the brake pedal. Now we're ready to button everything up and put it away. Okay, to remote start the vehicle, we do lock, unlock, lock. What that'll do is activate the remote start, and in a few seconds the vehicle will start up. So now, to do a takeover, you simply press the unlock button, and you're going to get into the vehicle, shut the door, and all you have to do is press the push to start button, and it will take over the remote start, and you can now put the vehicle in gear and drive away.